Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KSR English Made Easy. This channel is for those who want to develop their English language skills. If you like the videos, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Happy learning. According to the International Phonetic Alphabet, we have 8 diphthongs. These are the sounds which are formed by the combination of two pure vowel sounds. When two vowel sounds come together, they combinedly produce a single sound. That sound is called a diphthong. In this session, we understand the diphthongs and identify these sounds in the given words. Now let us have a brief understanding of all these sounds and the combination of the pure vowels, how they have been transformed into the diphthongs. The first one is the sound E and A. The sound E and A is formed as ear. Ear. The second one is U and A. Ua. Ua. The third one is A and air. Air. The fourth one is A and E. A. The fifth one is O and E. Oi. Oi. The sixth one is A and E. I. The seventh one is mute A and U. O. O. The eighth one is A and U. Ow. Ow. Now we go into the practice of these sounds by using some keywords. Let us have a keen observation of all the sounds that are going to be articulated. Today we are going to have a practice session on diphthongs, which are the combination of two vowel sounds. Here are a few words given. In each and every word, one or two letters are underlined. Trace out the sound of those letters. Shall we start now? So take the first one, B-A-S-E, base. Base. So the underlined letter A is A. That is A, base. Next one is N-O-I-S-E, noise. Noise. Eyes. That is I, noise. I. This is D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. A and U. That is A and U, doubt. Next one is T-H-E-I, they. This is A. A, they. Next one is G-O-A-L, girl. Girl. And U. This is mute A and U, girl. So A, base. I, noise. O, doubt. A, they. Girl. O. Next one is S-U-R-E, sure. Sure. First one is U and sure. Sure. F-A-R-E, fair. Fair. A and fair. A and mute fair. S-U-P-P-L-Y, supply. I. R and E, I, supply. Next one is C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chair. Air. This A and chair. Mute A. Next one is oyster. oyster, oi, oyster, o and e, oi, oyster. Ur, sure, air, fair, I, supply, air, chair, oi, oyster. Next one is L-O-U-D, loud. Ow, loud. So we have to write A and U sounds. Ow, A and U sound. Loud. Gruel, gruel. U and A. Gruel, U and A, gruel. Doze, doze. O, mute A and U, doze. Next one is E-I-T-H-E-R, either, either. A and E, either. This sound is existing in Telugu language. Either. Next one is F-E-A-R, fear, fear, ear, ear, fear. That is, first one is E, and next one is ear, fear. Ow, in loud, ua in gruel, o in doze, I in either, ear in fear. Next one is M-O-U-T-H, O-U, mouth, mouth. Out, A and U sound, mouth. G-R-E-A-T, great, eight, A and E-A, great. Next one is ear, ear. We have already seen this sound in F-E-A-R, fear. That is, first one is E and mute A, ear. Next one is poor, 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 U, poo and A, poor. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair, A and A, hair. Ow in mouth, A in great, ear in ear, ua in poor, air in hair. So practice all these sounds by transcribing in the phonetic transcription of all these sounds of the underlined letters. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.